Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. The MaxOak 7500 milliamp hour power bank. So what's so special about this? I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so unboxing this thing, it came in a very nice box. The MaxOak 7500 milliamp power bank. On the side, I don't know if I can get this thing to focus right on it, but it has, of course, the product is a solar power bank. It is 7800 milliamp hour capacity. The input is a DC 5 volt 2 amp. And the output is a DC 5 volt 2 amp. In other words, what goes through a USB cable. And then of course the battery information. The battery itself is a 2600 milliamp, 3 pieces, which makes of course the 7800 milliamp. What comes in this is of course the battery bank itself, which is the solar power bank. And also a USB cable to help you charge this thing up. So let's see what's inside. Open it up and you will see it has the actual power bank in here. Pull that out, set it aside for a second. It has the supplied cable to go ahead and power this thing up, to go ahead and charge it. And of course it has the main functions, instructions, charging portable solar, by solar energy, charging the bank with 5 volt 2 amp input, and of course charging the power bank by an actual crank, which I'll show you here in a second. Now the MaxOak does come with it says a battery limited. Battery limited. Oh, that's the name of the company. And let's see, what is this? Dear esteemed company, thank you for your order. Oh, and if you want to leave some feedback, you can go on, leave some feedback on there. And of course, they would like you to do a review. All right, so we're going to put all that away. And what is in? We have, of course, you can see the solar cells on here. See if I can do that. There we go. And it has the power button on the side. Go ahead and push that. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's at 100%. So that means it came pretty fresh from the factory. And right here is the input for charging. You just kind of, pop that in there. However we do that. There we go. Just pop that in there. And go ahead and put this on a charging block that is 5 volts 2 amps, which is pretty much any phone charger. You can also put this in the side of a computer, those kind of things, and it'll charge up for you. And of course, going out is right here. So you can take this out, and then you can plug it right into any device, like one of my cameras. Okay, if I need some extra power, just to get that going. And if you don't have, a whole lot of sun out there, if you don't have a place to charge it, what you can do right here, pull that out, and you can just start charging. All right, now that will, of course, it's going to take a lot to charge this thing up. but at least it'll get you by if you need to in a pinch. And that's pretty much it for the MaxOak 2800 milliamp solar power bank with crank. Well, I hope you enjoyed what you saw here. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.